getting a head start on removing ice dams on top of your gutter system. So a lot of water comes over the top when it begins to melt just a little bit, and it's forming icicles. Also, this downspout is frozen up. It's totally rock solid, filled with ice. For this specific icing problem, we need to place some ice melt just right there above the downspout. It's okay to make it go onto the roof line, because once that stuff starts melting, it'll just go right to that downspout area, and it's going to take a while. You'll need to put up a little bit of salt in there, in that area, but you want to make sure that your downspout is clear. That way the water can flow once it begins to melt right on down through the downspout and on out to the street. Here's what you can do from the ground. I will show you how to make this device at the end of this video. Fill the canister with your favorite ice melt. It really does not matter which one, as long as you remember to rinse that gutter once the weather gets 42 degrees or more. You will need to use about 3 or 4 small canisters right there above the downspout. The canister makes it so easy to do this from the ground. 3 or 4 canisters equates to about 4 pounds of your favorite ice melt. After about 5 to 6 hours, be sure to distribute another round of ice melt just right there above the downspout. Let that second round of ice melt work its magic, effectively melting the ice that is inside of the downspout itself. When it gets warm enough to connect your hose to your spigot, that's about 42 degrees Fahrenheit or more, use that hose water to melt any additional ice blockage that may be in the downspout. Use that hose with a spray nozzle from the ground to remove any more ice that may be accumulated on top of the gutter or inside of the downspout.